Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to improve Snapchat camera quality. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If you want to improve your camera, then you have to clean camera. Okay guys, so you have to clean back camera with clean cloth, and after that just simply clean front camera. Okay guys, and make sure that your phone case is set correctly, and after that open Snapchat, and if you're recording video, just simply record the video at one place. Okay guys, if you want to zoom it, so you have to record by this way. If you want that good result on Snapchat camera, so don't shake your phone. Okay guys, just simply hold the phone like this. Okay guys, as you can see guys, so if you want to record video or take photos on Snapchat camera, please hold your phone with this way. Okay guys, don't shake your phone. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.